It's 2025. You're young, and you've got enough money from crypto to buy something big, like a car or a sweet vacation. Now think about the opposite. Your friends are rich and you're just watching, kicking yourself for not starting now. Crypto in 2025 is your chance to build a rich life, but it can also mess you up if you're not careful. Hey, I'm here to help you figure it out. Step by step, I'll show you how to invest smart and avoid losing everything. Stay with me. This could be the start of something huge. You in? Let's go. Point 1. Know what's up with crypto in 2025. First step, get the big picture. 2025 crypto isn't like before. The rules are tougher, the government's watching, and prices are jumping all over. Bitcoin could go way up, other coins might explode, but there's a catch. Tons of scams are out there. You could lose big if you don't know what's up. But here's the cool part. If you learn a little, you could turn a few bucks into a lot. Check X. People like it Crypto Wendy talk about it all the time. Think it's all easy money? Nope, most newbies lose their shirt. What's the big coin to watch? I'll tell you later. Stick around. Point 2. Pick a good place to buy crypto. Now you know what's up, so where do you buy it? Apps like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance.us are where you start. Coinbase is easy for beginners, but it costs more. Kraken's got lots of options, Binance US too, but if they get hacked, bye-bye money. It's exciting to see your cash grow, but scary if you pick a bad one. Look back at step 1. Knowing what's real helps you choose right. Check X to see what people say about them. Big question. I messed up once picking an app. What do you think happened? You'll find out soon. Point 3. Make a smart plan. Here's how you win. Have a plan. Put a little money in every week, like $20 into Bitcoin or Ethereum. That way, if prices drop, you're okay. Add some other coins like Solana, but don't go crazy. You might be scared it'll crash, but excited it could grow huge. The app you picked matters. A good one makes this easy. Funny bit. Know someone who threw cash at a joke coin? Yeah, he's not laughing now. When's the best time to buy? I've got a tip coming up. Don't go anywhere. Point 4. Watch out for traps. Now the tricky part. Scams are everywhere. Fake apps, weird messages, coins that disappear. I saw a guy lose $1,000 to a dumb trick last year. You've got to move fast to stay safe. One mistake, and your money's gone. Use safe apps like MetaMask, check everything twice, and don't share your secret codes. Your plan from before helps you spot these traps. Think you're too smart to get fooled? My friend thought that too. Oops. What's the worst trick coming in 2025? Wait for it. Point 5. Buy at the right time, 7 to 8:30. Back to that tip about timing. 2025 will be up and down. Watch the news. If the government changes money rules, prices might drop. Buy then. X is great for this. At the blog post clues. It's exciting to grab a deal, but scary if you miss it. Your scam radar from last step keeps you safe here. Don't chase hype. Fun question. Ever tried guessing prices with a coin flip? Stick to real info instead. That bad trick? People pumping fake coins to trick you. Time it right and you're set. Point 6. Grow your money big. 8:30 to 10. Now the fun part, make it big. Start small. $50 can grow to $500. Put some in Ethereum to earn extra cash while you wait, like 5% a year. Use your wins to buy more, like Cardano maybe. You've got to start soon or you'll miss out. Timing from before helps you grow faster. Picture this. You're 28, rich, living the good life. Silly bit. No, you're not buying a pet shark. Yet. That big coin? Could be Chainlink. Check it out. You've got everything you need. Go for it. Okay, you're ready. Hit like if you're excited for 2025. Subscribe. I'll share more easy tips next week, like how to save on taxes. Comment CryptoStar to join us making money together. Don't wait. Someone's getting rich right now, and it should be you. Let's make it happen. See you next time.